Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Riot Client or Valorant, which is not opening at all when you double click on to run the program. It just doesn't open without any error code and nothing happen at all guys. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Windows Update. Click on check for updates. If you have any available updates listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date guys. After doing this, close it off here. If you have installed Avast or AVG antivirus in your system, I suggest you to go ahead and uninstall both antiviruses. And after doing this, you just need to right click on the Riot Client and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to uncheck this run this program as an administrator. Now you just need to select checkmark compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for Valorant as well. Select properties, go to compatibility, uncheck run this program as an administrator, checkmark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open up the Riot Client and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.